In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve past paper MCQs, Punjab University test MCQs, that is, which one of the following statements is not a true statement about the function f defined by f of x equal to 0 if x is irrational, 1 if x is rational. Solution, that is, the famous dirichlet function f of x equal to 0 if x is irrational, 1 if x is rational, is not continuous on any point of real numbers, and it is also not Riemann integrables, but the dirichlet function is measurable. So option C is correct. F is not measurable function, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.